Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Esam. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to build your calendar table in 5 minutes and connect it to your report. First thing we need to do is click a new table under modeling and build a date table. I'm going to call it calendar. Then I'm going to use the calendar function. It requires a start date and end date. For this presentation, I'm going to use 2007 January 1st. And the end date is 2009 December 31st. Validate the function. It is successful. Now, once you are done with the definition of the calendar dates, you may require some fields. I'm going to add 4 fields to the calendar calculated columns that will support my report. The first one is a date key. And date keys are required because they can connect to other tables and they occupy less space in memory with Power BI. So the first thing is a date key. It's a whole number. It's done by using the first 4 digits of the year and the second and the 2 digits of the month and 2 digits of the day. Month name is also required because on the charts that I use, I have month name displayed and it is 3 characters for the month, like January, February, and I have the year displayed next to it. The next thing I need to do, I need to create a month sort order so that the month name would appear in the right sort order, and month sort order would have the year and the month numbers in it. Validate the formula, it should be correct. The next thing we need to add is we need a year so that we can filter by year and then by months. This way we don't have to go through a lot of months to find what we want. So year can help us do that. So I'm going to create a year as well. Now I have all the fields that I need. Some formatting is required. For example, date is a date data type. Date key is a whole number. Month name is a text. Date key doesn't require aggregation. Month sort order is a whole number. And year is a whole number as well. Now you need to make sure that your month name is sorted by a month sort order so that your chart can display the month name in the right order as well. And that's all you need to do in terms of formatting. Before you use your calendar table, you need to mark it as a date table. So select Mark as Date Table and select Date Column as Date. Now it is ready for time intelligence functions. Then go to the relationships, connect the date key to the date key of the other tables, in this case sales order, and connect it to sales quarter. Now we could slice these tables by using the calendar table. The next thing we need to do, we need to go to the report and connect the calendar table. First thing, we need to connect the slicer, the year slicer, to the year field. And we also, now we should have the years displayed. We also need to connect the month names to the month slicer. And now we have all the months displayed as well. If you select a certain year, you should have only the month displayed for that year. and that's correct. The last thing you need to do, you need to connect the month name to your charts. In this case, I'm connecting it to the line chart using month name. In this presentation, I demonstrated how to create a calendar table. I also demonstrated the calendar relationship mapping in the entity relationship model. And finally, I connected the report visuals to the calendar table. My name is Esam. If you like this presentation, please click the like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching.